Imagine waking up in 2027, opening YouTube, and the first video you see isn't made by a YouTuber at all, it's fully AI generated, it has 50 million views, and somehow it still has ads. And then you scroll, and boom, you see creators making money from polls, quizzes, and even from you just watching for 5 seconds. Crazy, right? But guess what, this might actually be the future of YouTube after 2026. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going deep into the future of YouTube, what changes are coming after 2026, how the monetization system is going to evolve, and how it will affect creators like you and me. Stick till the end, because I'll also tell you how you can prepare now so you don't get left behind in the future YouTube economy. How YouTube has changed till now. Quick flashback storytelling. Back in 2005, the first video me at the zoo was uploaded. No ads, no monetization, just vibes. Then 2007 came, the partner program was born. Creators finally started making money. Fast forward 2017, apocalypse. Everyone freaked out. 2023 to 2025, shorts blew up, AI tools entered the chat, and monetization rules became stricter. So if we look at history, YouTube evolves every 2 to 3 years. That means by 2027, the platform might look totally different again. AI, the new game changer. Fourth is for viewers, which is personalized feeds. Not just suggested videos, but videos auto-edited to match your interests. Imagine the same vlog shown differently to 2 viewers. So basically, YouTube in 2027 might know your taste better than your girlfriend. How monetization works now in 2025. Currently, YouTube's big focus is on stopping spammy AI content. They renamed repetitious content to inauthentic content. If you just slap AI voice on stock footage, you won't get monetized. But if you add commentary, storytelling, or creativity, AI content is allowed. Profanity rules, relaxed swearing in first 7 seconds is fine as long as it's not hate speech. Partner program requirements. 1,000 subs and 4,000 watch hours or 10 million shorts views. And how monetization works in 2026. Now let's go into the future. How will monetization change after 2026? First thing is tiered monetization. Smaller creators may earn earlier, maybe at 100 subs you unlock fan funding. At 500 subs you get ad revenue. Second, AI transparency rules. Creators may need to tag which part of video is AI made. Hiding it equal demonetized. Third, trust score system. Clean history, no spam, high watch time equal better ad rates. Think of it like a credit score for creators. Fourth, interactive ads. Polls, mini-games, shoppable ads. Viewers will engage more, creators will earn more. Fifth, fan funding boom. More loyalty programs, badges, tips, memberships. Fans will literally pay to support their favorite creator. And in localized monetization, India, Africa, South America special monetization systems, regional ad rates, government partnerships. Example: a small creator in India might earn from regional ads in their own language, something impossible a few years ago. After all these things, we can see YouTube as a super app. After 2026, YouTube might not just compete with TikTok, it could also compete with Netflix and Amazon Prime. Subscription bundles, watch Netflix, Disney+, HBO directly inside YouTube. Live sports streaming with interactive polls. Co-watch features. You and your friends watch the same video together. Comment live. Send GIFs. How creators should prepare. If you're a creator, here's how to future-proof yourself. First, focus on originality. Don't just rely on AI, add your own face, voice, story. Second is build community. Fan funding will be huge. Strong community equals stable income. Third, learn shorts plus long form. Both will exist. Shorts for growth, long videos for deep engagement. Fourth, diversify income. Use merch, memberships, and external platforms too. Fifth advice is stay flexible. Rules will keep changing. Winners are the ones who adapt fast. So yeah, YouTube after 2026 will be wild, AI-powered videos, tiered monetization, interactive ads, fan funding, and maybe even Netflix inside YouTube. The only constant will be this: creators who add real value will always win. Whether you use AI or not, your originality will be your biggest currency. Now I want to hear from you. Do you think AI will help creators or replace them? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I'll feature the best answers in my next video. And if you enjoyed this deep dive, smash that like button, subscribe for more future insights, and share this with a creator friend who needs to hear it.